Sairam kids, how are y'all after vacation? Enjoyed the vacation? Everyone enjoyed, yes? Okay. Okay, kids. Now, welcome to max session. Welcome back to study. Yes, kids? Okay. Now, today in max, everyone will like. It's a very interesting topic. So, before that, I would like to ask you some question. Kids, now every year in month of December, we have sports. Yes, yes. Where we go for sports? To Vidyalaya. We go to Shrima Vidyalaya. Why? Because big ground is there. Yes. Okay. What all sports we do? Running race and potato race and you jump like that. See, standing jump. You do standing jump. Okay, children. And when you do running race, how many prizes are there? How many winners is been selected? 3 winners. Yes. Okay. Now, today we are going to learn something like that only, which all will like. Shall we start? Okay. Here. Children, can you see these 2 boys? What are they doing? They are running. Okay. The Raju and Tom is running. Okay. Now, who has come first? Raju. And Tom is second. Okay. Now here you can see how many kids? 3 kids. Who are they? See, the names are there. Who are they? Karan, Mary and Anant. Karan, Mary and Anant. Okay. Kids. Now Karan is first. Mary is second. And Anant is third. Very good. Now children, after you win, 3 winners are been selected. Now where these winners are standing, what it is called as? This is called as winner's podium. What it is called as? Winner's podium. Okay. The first child will stand in the center. The second child on the right side. And the third on the left side. Yes. Now here tell me, who is at the first? What is the name of the first child? Who has got first? Meena. Second, John. And third is Tina. Very good. Okay. What prize you get? What medal you get? Those who get first? The first winner, what medal they get? Gold medal. Very good, very good. And the second winner? Silver medal. And the third winner? Bronze. Okay. Cholo. So today, in today's chapter, we are going to learn about cardinal and ordinal numbers. We are going to learn about cardinal and ordinal numbers. Now, before starting with the chapter, I'd like to recite a poem on cardinal and ordinal numbers. First, you will hear very carefully. Then, second time, you will repeat after teacher. I know all like poem and song. Yes? Are you all ready? Let's start. Cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers. Title of the poem is A Picnic. A picnic. The animals are going for a picnic. Now let's see. Once in a forest, at a potluck of 7, each brought a dish by all to be eaten. Rabbit came a hopping, the first of the lot. But oh, in the hurry, Stephanie forgot. Second was a deer, golden and swift, with tender green grass, bagged a gift. Monkey came third, with a basket of veggies, swinging from the trees with so much ease. Like it? Repeat. Once in a forest, a potluck of 7, each brought a dish by all to be eaten. Rabbit came hopping, a first of the lot. But oh, in the hurry, Tiffany forgot. Second was a deer, golden and swift, with tender green grass, back like a gift. Monkey came third, with a basket of veggies, swinging from the trees with so much ease. Like that? Yes, now next. Fourth came a cow, swinging a tail, happy she could bring her yummy carrot cake. A bundle on his trunk. Elephant came fifth. The bundle was of sugarcane. Oh, what a thrill! Sparrow was sixth, with corn or the cob. Seventh, with a roasted gram, strutted in peacock. 7 happy picnickers share the dishes 6. A better feast you couldn't have wished. How it was? Repeat after me. Fourth came cow, swinging a tail, happy she could bring a yummy carrot cake. Her bundle on his trunk. Elephant came fifth. The bundle was of sugarcane. Oh, what a thrill! Sparrow was sixth, with corn or cob. Seventh, with a roasted gram, strutted in peacock. 7 happy picnickers share their dishes 6. A better feast you couldn't have wished. How was the poem, kids? Liked it? Okay. Now we'll start with the lesson. Now in this children poem, now here can you see who came fourth? Cow. What did she bring? Carrot cake. Who was fifth? Elephant. What did he bring? Sugar cane. Very good. Okay. Now, shall we start the lesson? Okay. Now here children, can you see animal train? Okay. Now how many animals are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 animals. Okay. And a boy is on the engine. He is driving the train. Okay, children. What all animals can you see here? Just tell me. Tiger, giraffe, zebra, crocodile, and elephant. Okay, these 5 animals, they are going in the train. Now children, you all counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? You are able to count? Yes. Now these numbers what you counted are called as counting numbers. Are called as counting numbers. And these counting numbers are called as cardinal numbers. These counting numbers are called as cardinal numbers. Okay, children. Now next. Children, can you all see your children standing in a line? In a queue? Yes, all are school kids. They're waiting for the bus. So how many kids are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So altogether how many kids? 9 kids. So now the name of the kids are also given, children. 1 is Rohan, 2 is Roma, 3 is Rumi, 4 Robert, 5 Ronnie, 6 Roy, 7 Rimi, 8 Resham, and 9 is Raul. All the names are starting with R. Very good. Now this here you have counted the numbers 1 to 9. So what did teacher say? This what you counted, they are the counting numbers. And the counting numbers are called as cardinal numbers. Yes? Okay. Now, children, see here. Now here, see, you can see Rohan, Rumi, down the name. See, under the names, you can see some spellings are given. Some words are written. What are they? FIRST first, SECOND second, THIRD third, FOURTH fourth, FIFTH fifth, SIXTH sixth, SEVENTH seventh, EIGHTH eighth, NINTH ninth. Okay, children. Now, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. What are they? They are showing the position of the children where they are standing. Okay, that's showing the order in which the kids are standing. Now, Rohan is first, Roma is second, Rumi is third, Robert is fourth, Ronnie is fifth, Roy is sixth, Rimi is seventh, Resham is eighth, and Rahul is ninth. So kids, the numbers which show the position or the orders of the things or persons, they are called as ordinal numbers. Ordinal, order. Ordinal, order. Okay, children, they are called as ordinal numbers. Okay, now tell me, children, What is the position? What is the order of Roy? R-O-Y, Roy. 6th. Very good. Then Rimi, 7th. Rahul, R-A-H-U-L, Rahul, 9th. Rumi, R-U-M-I, Rumi, 3rd. Rohan, R-O-H-A-N, Rohan, 1st. Robert, R-O-B-E-R-T, Robert, 4th. Okay, very good. Now kids, this 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, these ordinals can be written in short form. In short. How they are written in short? Let's see. Now first, see, now they are showing the numbers. How many kids are there? Okay. Now, first, see how they are written first. 1 and ST. That is, you'll write number 1 and see the spelling of first, F-I-R-S-T. So, the last 2 letters of the word ST, you write beside 1. That is 1 and ST first. Okay. Now, see second. 2ND. 2ND. That is last 2 letter of second. SECOND. So, last 2 letter is ND. So, you will write 2 and you will add ND. That is second. Third. 3RD. Last 2 letter of the spelling third. THIRD. So, RD. Write 3 and add RD. That is third. Fourth. 4 and TH. See, the last 2 letter of fourth is TH. So, 4 and TH. That is fourth. Fifth. 5 and TH. That is fifth. Sixth. 6 TH. 7 TH. Seventh. Eighth. 8 TH. Eighth. Ninth. 9 TH. Ninth. Now kids, for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, you will write same TH, TH, TH you will add. Only for 1st, 2nd, 3rd, you will add ST, ND and RD. Understood children? Everybody? Now children, here see. Here is cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Repeat after teacher. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. Now what are these? Cardinal numbers. Repeat, cardinal numbers. Now we'll learn the ordinal numbers. Repeat, first 1 S-T. F-I-R-S-T. First. Second, S-E-C-O-N-D. S-E-O-N-D. Second. Third. 3-R-D. T-H-I-R-D. Fourth. 4-T-H. F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth. Fifth. 5-T-H. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. Sixth. 6-T-H. S-I-X-T-H. Sixth. 7-T-H. Seventh. S-E-V-E-N-T-H. Seventh. Eighth. 8-T-H. E-I-G-H-T-H. Eighth. 9-T-H. Ninth. N-I-N-T-H. Ninth. 10-T-H. Tenth. T-E-N-T-H. Tenth. Okay children, now we all learnt the cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. What you all are going to do? This you all are going to write 2 times in your book and you all are going to practice, because the spellings you should know very well, and you should know what are cardinal numbers and what are ordinal numbers. Okay kids? Now I finish with cardinal and ordinal numbers. Now we'll see next what is there. Mental max. Mental max. Now you all are going to repeat after me. Complete the given blank. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. 543. 543. 543. 543. 444. 444. 444. 444. 7 is greater than 3. 7 is greater than 3. 3 is less than 7. 3 is less than 7. The number with the greater tens digit is the greater number. The number with the greater tens digit is the greater number. The number before 23 is 22. The number before 23 is 22. The number after 78 is 79. The number after 78 is 79. Kids, this mental max also you are going to note down in your book. I hope all have understood the cardinal and ordinal numbers. If you all have not understand, don't worry. Next period, in next session, I'll be continuing with cardinal and ordinal numbers. Okay, bye-bye. See you. Take care.